Hi, my name is Mel. This video will explore the essential concepts of data classification, covering its definition, types, methods, applications, and best practices to help organizations manage and secure their data effectively. So we will begin today with an introduction to data classification, then explore its various types. Next, we will discuss methods and techniques used, followed by practical applications and use cases. Finally, we'll review common challenges and best practices for effective data classification. The following section introduces the concept of data classification, highlighting its definition and critical role it plays in data management and security. Data classification is a process of categorizing data based on predefined criteria to facilitate its management and protection. It helps organizations identify the value of sensitivity of data to apply appropriate handling procedures. Proper data classification enables better data governance, optimizes storage, improves compliance with regulations, and strengthens security by protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. In this section, we will explore different classification schemes based on data, sensitivity, format, and industry-specific requirements. Data can be classified by sensitivity level, ranging from public data accessible by anyone to restricted data limited to authorized personnel, ensuring appropriate security controls are applied accordingly. So internal data is meant for within the organization. Confidential data contains sensitive information needing strict access control, and restricted data is highly sensitive and accessible to only authorized personnel with highest security level, and public is available to anyone. Data can be classified by format. Structured data like databases, unstructured data like emails or documents, or semi-structured such as Excel or XML or JSON, each requiring different handling approaches. Various industries adopt specialized data systems tailored to their regulatory requirements and operational needs, such as financial, healthcare, and government sectors. Here we discuss approaches to classifying data manually or automatically, including rule-based and machine learning techniques, along with tools used for effective classification. Manual classification involves human judgment, which can be accurate but time-consuming, whereas automatic classification uses algorithms to efficiently process large volumes of data with consistency, but might not be completely accurate 100% of the time. Rule-based systems apply predefined patterns and keywords, while machine learning models learn from data to classify information more adaptively and handle complex scenarios. Various software tools and platforms support data classification, including data loss prevention systems, content management solutions, and specialized classification engines. This section highlights how data classification supports compliance, security, and governance objectives across different organizational contexts. Data classification helps organizations comply with regulations by identifying sensitive personal data and applying required protections and control. By classifying data, organisations can implement targeted security measures, reduce risk of data breaches, and better protect individual privacy. Classification aids in managing data through its life cycle, from creation to archiving or disposal, ensuring data quality and regulatory compliance. In this final section, we address common difficulties in implementing data classification and share some strategies to overcome them effectively. Challenges can include inconsistent classification criteria, large data volumes, dynamic data environments, and user resistance, which can hinder classification efforts. Successful classification requires clear policies, stakeholder engagement, ongoing training, and leveraging automation to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Regularly reviewing and updating classification frameworks is vital to address evolving business needs, regulatory changes, and emerging data types. So look, in conclusion, data classification is a foundational element for managing and securing data in today's complex environments. Adopting appropriate methods and best practices ensure organisations can protect sensitive information, comply with regulations, and optimise data value. Thank you for your time.